Good day, panelists. My name is Brandon Johnson, and I am a candidate for the position of Leadership Development Specialist here at Verizon Wireless. I'm currently an employee here at Verizon in the Network Operations Department as a lead systems technician. I've been here at Verizon for over 13 years, with over 20 years total experience in the wireless industry. I'm currently in pursuit of my bachelor's degree in organizational management at the University of La Verne and plan to graduate in the next 18 months. In 1996, I began as a field technician at Pac Bell Wireless, which became Singular and subsequently bought out by AT&T. It was there that I gained my first exposure in wireless and to begin developing employees by training field technicians for that position. I passed on my knowledge and expertise to others to assist in the overall improvement of the quality of service for Pac Bell Wireless. My knowledge allowed me to move up quickly at Pac Bell to a BSc technician and finally an MSc technician. In all those positions, I was training others on the intricate nature of the network and developing their overall knowledge. In the year 2000, I worked for Sprint PCS as a switch technician, to which I learned a new network and a new wireless platform. I was exposed to different ideas about wireless and relished in the learning and passing on of my knowledge to others. It was unfortunate that at the end of 2002, I was laid off during an organizational shift and my position was eliminated. In the year 2003, I began work here at Verizon Wireless as a switch technician, then moved to a systems technician, and then finally to my current position as a lead systems technician. In this lead capacity, we have implanted a knowledge transfer program at my location and one other location in Southern California. This program allows me to assess the knowledge of fellow colleagues of the equipment necessary for network functionality. Since my office gets the latest network equipment first, it was a very natural fit to have the program there. I have continued to evaluate and develop employees to make them better assets to Verizon over the last 3 years since this program's inception. Unfortunately, due to Verizon proprietary restraints, I am not allowed to show the documents I've created to assess employees and their progressive improvements. All my work experience has contributed in preparing me for this leadership development specialist position. In addition to my work experience, my outside experiences have also prepared me for this new endeavor. In our churches, I am what's known as a worship leader, which encompasses many things. But one thing that I do is develop future worship leaders and provide feedback to current worship leaders for improvement. Because I created this particular document, I am able to show it to you without any ramifications. As you can see, this is my worship leadership assessment program. This program allows me to go and view worship leaders in the capacity of worship services and evaluate how they are doing. Things such as keeping worship flow, communication with the audience, and teaching and learning new songs. I do have a purpose that I have stated to train those with the skill and desire to become current and future worship leaders. And I have created a program mission statement as well, which states to progressively become a worship leader who is in tune with the Word of God, so much so that the flow of worship is reflected in that knowledge. I also have methods of assessment that I have down here that they will be evaluated on. They are to check off on that. And this is evaluated on a quarterly basis. And I do come to them and they have signed off on my evaluation, and we seek to improve them in all areas of the assessment. This is a great program because all of the worship leaders who are involved in this seek to improve all around, so they are very, very much accepting of my knowledge and my expertise. I do possess many technology requirements that are very essential for this position. I am very fluent in Microsoft Office components, which consists of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. And I am currently learning a new email system, which is G Suite, which is powered by Google. I'm in the process of learning the Adobe systems, which include Adobe Acrobat, which is a document management software. One familiar software for that would be PDF files. I'm learning Adobe Captivate, which is a computer-based training software, which will come in handy at this position in the training platforms that I will be using. Adobe Photoshop, as well as Creative Cloud, which is a graphics and photo imaging software used with webinar creation. And along with Java scripting, that's also webinar creation and develop, which is essential for this job. And I do possess some job knowledge skills that will work right along with the qualifications. Instructing, which I have mentioned above, and all of the instructing that I've done over my career has definitely prepared me for an opportunity like this. I'm an active listener, which means I basically give full attention to what other people are saying, taking time to understand the points that are being made. That is a strong job skill that will be used. Also, my oral comprehension and communication skills. I have a very strong ability to listen and to understand information and ideas presented, which will be very essential to this job, considering that I will have to communicate directly with supervisors, peers, and my subordinates. I have great assessing skills, which I showed in my worship leadership assessment platform that I created. I am very good at accepting feedback and criticism. That is a skill. And I've actually taken a class on being able to accept feedback and criticism and how to give proper feedback and criticism to others. One very important part of most jobs are your soft skills. I have great communication skills, teamwork and collaboration skills, problem solving skills, great observation skills, adaptability, and one skill that I'm very, very proud of is my conflict resolution skills. That is very important for any job environment. I am very much a creative thinker, which I've proven with the assessment program for my job, as well as my worship leading. That allows me to develop, design, and create new applications based on new ideas. All of these things are directly in line with the qualifications for this job. To conclude, I'd like to thank you for the opportunity to present my qualifications to you. I am certain that all of my qualifications and experiences are transferable to this position as a leadership development specialist. I look forward to speaking to you all face to face and potentially working with you all in the future. Thank you.